Hi everyone, very good morning guys, very good morning. I hope people doing great and today. So because actually very excited to be here right now. So once again I came on the roof and for practice English. And these days guys practice English and this is channel only created only beginners who peoples want to the learn English in the future. So because the how importance English, do you know that the very important guys, it's very important for you everyone in the life in English. This is the guys is the this is the my native language. Even then I will speak English, so how to speak and how to get time in future for the learning English. But actually it's no, it's we no decided to how much the time take the English in the conversation, but actually whatever you have. So I know that, so you are learning English, actually you are stuck suddenly while speaking English to suddenly is the stuck, you can't speak English very well. Because what the main reasons actually you are not speaking the very well, because actually that is time, actually that time was very difficult. Actually, in this video, hi guys, this is Anil Maurya, and you are watching on your YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So, without any further into this video, so let's get in this video. So, I will share in my experience, my opinion. So, all is these I will share in this video. Please watch until end. So, guys, my journey was is very difficult. So, whenever I started my English, though I used to leave my village with my parents, and there is a lots of problems. Actually there was no any environment for the speak English, because I was not able to speak English at that time, because actually I tried so many times for the speak English. I read the books, newspaper as well. I have the watched the cartoons and vocabularies, observing from the TV channels. Actually, a lot. Then actually, I will request. I will try the regular basis to whatever I have the experience. So I'm trying an English. So this is my English was a very bit difficult, and actually people not like to me, and because actually my journey it was very difficult. Actually I can't speak English, but actually even then slowly actually I make the sentence and every day, because actually I'm trying to it build. So the who peoples want to speak English, and please join on this channel. This is my English blog, actually blogging. Actually I told you guys, so actually I am not teacher, but actually I am you can teach you all then, and whatever I have the experience, and the people want to speak English, so please join us, and you can learn English. So because I'm very happy right now, so whatever. So guys, so because actually I'm terrace so many planted here, so and this time the sunrise, and so you can see this planted here. So super is breathing is very well as right now. So because actually very happy and exploring, and this is a very area. So actually it will be improve your English, the fan, when you started and your English. But I want to say you that actually, and you should practice and every day, because 5 or 10 minutes and regular. So because, and very important guys, this is the first fall, and do one thing, and please speak whatever you have the you have feel the wrong side, please no problem, and you should the practice and every day actually expose from your heart, your mind. So whatever you, that is everything is wrong, no problem, but you should speak English, I know that. But actually I suggest you guys, so yeah, I know that you want to speak English and very well, but actually you have the knowledge, you have the vocabularies, you have the vocabularies, grammar, so everything. You have a lots option, but you can't speak English. But actually I'm suggest to you, what is the reason guys? So actually you are not practice and every day and speak English and every day. Actually expose your mouth, and please try many times they actually speak now. So everyone, because actually my journey so actually I'm sharing in this video because actually my journey was very difficult. So whenever I started my English journey, and actually I was not able to speak English in properly, but actually slowly I make sentence and practice and regular basis, because actually even then, so I just feel in the super excited, but actually this time, so wind is blowing and it's a little bit, and sunrise and right now. So guys, if you want to learn and if you want to speak English, and you should practice, and you should start from today, because actually times can't wait anyone. So guys, time is very precious for you and your life. And if you want to study in the college and a school also, and you should practice and make the friend, and even then speak a little bit. So whatever you have the speak and anywhere, so improve your English. And exposing is very important, guys, and don't say anything else. I know that you have the lots option, you have lots environment, but knowledge is full knowledge, but actually speak not as well. This is the main reasons actually you are not speaking English. So you should practice and every day, guys. So I think it will be completed within 1 month. So after that, you will improve yourself and speak well, and don't feel shy, and no hesitation, and you have. And please, I suggest you, and you should this practice and every day, guys. So I'm very excited to be here right now. So actually this is my native language. Actually I had no manner for the speak English. The people are the laughing at me. Actually his people is told me as his boy is not as good speaking, is he can't speak English anywhere. But actually I didn't listen anyone. Please, actually I thought myself, I promised myself, because I will speak in my future and improve my English and grammar as well, vocabularies. So guys, and these days, what is the manner for the speak, you can, guys. So little bit the mistake, but no problem. Actually people are laughing at me, no problem, and people is the enjoying at me, no problem. But actually I build the confidence and I speak English, and I promised myself, because actually I'm speak English. So guys, you will have to promise yourself, and then you will they speak English, and you should practice and build confident, and you continue with speaking. I hope that you will they speak English. Please, first of all, you do think, and promised yourself that will speak English in future. Okay? And please promise yourself. This is the very important. Please try. You have a lot of option. You have lots of time. So whatever you speak the Hindi, and remove your mind Hindi, and please think only in English. This is my suggestion. So guys, I hope that you will understand yourself. So guys, if you want you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep subscribe my channel, so that so that you will get notifications soon. Please guys, please subscribe my channel, Anil Speak English with Anil, guys. So guys, keep it, and bye bye. Thank you. I hope you are doing great today. Bye guys. Bye bye. Take care.